are going to get started. Today we are bypassing the Infinix 04 Plus. Let's get started. If you don't insert SIM, no problem. Just connect to a Wi-Fi network. Make sure you have data on the Wi-Fi network. I'm typing in the Wi-Fi password, which is devset 8113. Alright, so in this case you are going to bypass the phone. Look at, I don't know any account and I've forgotten, I just forgotten the account. So I'm proving this for you to see that I don't have the account password and then the email, and totally I'm logged by Google. Google logged me for security reasons, but for some important reason I'm also going to bypass this log. And as you can see, I don't know any password. I think this is my internet connection, but I hope it's gonna come. Let me turn on the data from Android app. Alright, believe it's gonna come. Waiting for you, huh? As you can see, here it is. Nothing is up. I don't know. No. Just damned. Let's get started. How to bypass this, or how to remove the account. Now uses data. Just click on add a network, type anything, click and hold on it, click that three dots, and then either you could click on assist, then it's gonna open Google. When it opens Google, you need to type Google Chrome. When you open the Google Chrome, and type the following sentence after me. Just follow my steps, guys. We have Arbetos 3D. Sometimes it could be the second link, but just identify my link, what you see there, and click on that exactly. So you can download it for any Android version. We have all the Android versions there, and Android 900, 800, 700, 6. So my phone is on Android 6. If you want to check out how to see either your Android version of your phone, just follow the menu. Just search settings here and then click on it. You could be done. Download the Android 6 Google Account Manager. So just click on that and it's gonna download. So click on OK. Don't click on open right now. Just click on close. Get back. Now we need to reopen Arbetos 3D. So I'm doing this. Get back. So reopen it. And then if it's successfully opened, just scroll down. And let's download the quick shortcut maker APK.
It shouldn't be only one person who is pushing. It should be both of you.
Click on it and click on the download there. And in some Android phones, after downloading these things, if you need to get back to the main page, then click on exit again. as we did at the first process.
Comfortably.
Do the same thing and then search downloads. Some phones you can just search files, but now in my Infinix you need to search downloads. Click on it and install the Android 6 APK first, and allow this to install at your settings. After that, install it, accept. So guys, after this installation, let's wait, which is Google Account Manager. Let's wait for it to install. After this, click on done, and then install Google Account Quick Shortcut Maker. So after downloading a Quick Shortcut Maker, follow my steps to see what is next to do. So just open the Quick Shortcut Maker. After opening it, scroll down. So now if you scroll, you are gonna see this here. Click on the Google Account Manager. Now here is normally confusion. As you can see try email and password there, and it have even confused me, but I think is this. So just click on that try, and then click on browsing and sign in with the account you know. Look at the image below. So guys, if you don't have any account, you can just create new account if you like. It's necessary, but if it has already existing account, you can just log into that account, as you can see in it. So I have an account, so I'm signing in. I have an existing account, which is iseriostych. So after typing the password, they will bring you back to this page. So now you need to reboot your phone. So let's reboot it now. You can turn it off and on, known as reboot. So now click on that arrow, skip. You can skip it because you already added account. You can skip it, but let's just connect to a Wi-Fi network, and then you are gonna see everything coming successfully. Account added. Click on next. Click on next to continue this. So continuing. Guys, kindly share my videos. Guys, I need you to share my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me more support if you like this video. Keep watching. And set it up. No thanks. Skip anyway. Now select your region, the country. So select your country. So after you select your country, so let me select mine. So after you select it, you are back to the home screen. Now your Android have been successfully bypassed. I was to say iPhone. So bypass successful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, my subscribe is really low, so just subscribe. Thank you. Click on the video on the screen below for more.